What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another amazing episode. We have a Range Rover Sport. What we are doing as of the minute, we are extracting the arms. These are what we call the arms. The lower arms, the upper arm, they're here. The bushes, the bushes are perished. Unaweza onelea hapo it is very cracked. That is a bad bush. This is what we call the wheel hub. The wheel hub also kuna bushes zile zimechapa. You can literally see this. This is what we call wheel bearing here. Yes, it's here. Over here, yes, it's an EGR. An EGR is this. Vile mnaona hapa chini. Hili ni EGR. The expectations ni ati it has a leakage over here. It is bent. Mnaona hapa it is bent yeah. So ni ya kuangalia. On this side also same thing that is happening on the other side is what is going on here. The wheel hub, the arms, what else? Yes, so we are going to replace these bushes. Meanwhile kuna pipe na leak na pale chini ndio inakuwa dressed on. Once you get to fix that, though once you get to extract the pipe, we're going to block the part. Meanwhile, you can hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's fix this vehicle. We are currently extracting the cross member and exhaust. After long as some few minutes of struggle, we have exhaust extraction. Now this is the part that we have. This is the catalytic converter. It's supposed to be here lakini ilitolewa. It's not longer juu ya kublock blocking gases, so the car does not perform as normally as it should. This is what we call the NOx sensor, or rather the oxygen sensor. Na hii pipe ina flow from the turbos, from the head pale juu, this side. Yeah, so we are checking up the vehicle pale chini, alafu we find out the issue, alafu tufunge. We just finished extracting the exhaust. Now this is what we call a cross pipe. A cross pipe is what attaches the exhaust in a twin turbo engine, in your left side, in your right side. So you can see leakage yenye iko ni hapa hivi. This is what is causing the leakage. Na hizi exhaust zikianza kuleak, normally the car loses a lot of power, so gari inakuwa nika haina nguvu. But now we have to buy another one. We are currently going to see whether you are going to get them kwa duka. Then when you get them, you come and fix them. Tuna to press hizi bushes na all these bushes, alafu you assemble the vehicle. So meanwhile, stay put. I'll see you. 3 days down the line, Paul, I have a morning voice here. The EGR pipe ilikuwa welded. This is the EGR. None ilikuwa welding took place. Welding at its best. The bushes, new bushes, lower arms, both sides. Kile kimebaki ni kufix the linings za handbrake, yeah? What else? Exhaust ndio inafungwa pale chini. This is how you look like after assembling the exhaust, yeah? Sisi na mambogi hapo, we are just finishing assembling the exhaust. This is what it's called, the exhaust, yeah? This is the silencer. The catalytic converter inafaa kuwa hapa, but normally these vehicles, the catalytic converter ina clog due to carbon, inafiltanga exhaust, harmful exhaust. So cross pipe ilishawekwa, tumeweka cross pipe already. Pia cross pipe iko pale juu, ina run across the engine, yeah? Yes, so kile kimebaki ni linings pale nyuma, alafu tumalize kazi. So we have just finished assembling the linings. These are the handbrake linings. Now it takes a lot of time kufix hizi ma springs and all that. It takes a lot of time, but anyway we do it either way. So nimebakisha the adjuster nikana kwa hapa chini ka black. I fix it, alafu nifunge hii bolts ya wheel hub, alafu yes tufunge mguu. Masani ya lunch, home cooked food made by me, regwema na mushara, you know what I'm saying, man. Sash. Bado gari na niko lunch, alafu kuna ka adjuster kamepotea. Ndio we are looking for solution. Kanakaa hapa juu. Hapa ina fit na hii. Alafu inakaa hapa chini. So once we get a solution to that, we're going to continue. Meanwhile, you can hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I would gladly appreciate it. So we just found the adjuster, even ndivyo inakaa hapo chini hivyo. So normally you adjust, unazungushanga hii, it tightens up these linings to loosen or to tighten. Just that. So tumebakisha kwa caliper, the caliper is here, the discs. Four. Alafu tumalize. I just finished fastening this caliper. So now kile kimebaki ni this wheel hub bolt, and let's fasten that. Up next are the wheels, and that's how we get to end the video for the day. So thank you for making it to the end of the video. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I shall see you in the next episode. Peace out.